Imagine a world where the chore of household cleaning becomes an effortless task, an activity you can oversee without even lifting a finger. In this world, technology is your best ally, transforming routines into something magical. Let me introduce you to a revolutionary product designed to turn your vision into reality, the Dream X40 Ultra Complete Robo Vacuum Cleaner with Mop. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features. See hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours at the best price right now. This product is ideal for modern households looking for effortless cleaning and impeccable cleanliness even in hard-to-reach corners. It is perfectly suited for families with children and pets, ensuring always impeccable floors with minimal effort. As soon as you turn it on, you know you have an exceptional product in your hands. This is not just a simple vacuum cleaner. It is a technological innovation, a gem of robotics that embodies the evolution of household cleaning. With an impressive Vormax suction power of 12,000 PA, it doesn't just clean the surface. No, it deeply sucks up dust, debris, hair, and pet fur without any effort on your part. But what truly sets the Dream X40 Ultra Complete Robo Vacuum Cleaner apart is its ability to wash floors with unmatched precision and efficiency. Imagine a mop that cleans itself automatically with water heated to 70 degrees, providing optimal hygiene while reducing water stains and unpleasant odors. By adjusting the temperature through the dedicated app, you can customize your cleaning according to your specific needs, ensuring that your floors are always spotless. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The innovation doesn't stop there. The X40 is equipped with Mop Extend Robowing technology, which allows the mop to extend up to 4 centimeters to reach the most inaccessible corners. The side brush extends 10 mm to capture every speck of dust hidden under furniture. Its features ensure meticulous cleaning even in hard-to-reach places. For those of you who already own carpets or rugs, this robot is a blessing. Its ability to lift the brush and mops prevents moisture from penetrating the fibers, keeping your carpets dry and spotless. The side brush lifts by 10 mm and the rubber brush by 5 mm for contamination-free cleaning between surfaces, thus preserving the integrity of your floors. Managing hair and pet fur is often a headache. Thanks to the Tri-Cut Tangle-Free brush, you will never have to worry about clogs again. This innovative technology prevents tangles, saving you time and effort. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Dream X40 is its intelligence. Equipped with sophisticated sensors from OmniDirt technology, it detects and eliminates dirt with surgical precision. The turbidity sensors measure the dirtiness of the water, ensuring a rewashing of the mop for flawless cleanliness. This robot even doubles the floor washing to eliminate stubborn stains, ensuring you have sparkling clean floors. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. The smart multi-level mapping is another feature that sets this robot apart. Capable of creating detailed maps on 4 levels, it easily covers large areas, avoiding obstacles even in dark spaces thanks to its built-in LED lighting. It recognizes and avoids over 80 types of objects, from shoes to cables, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience. The X40 is not just a cleaning tool, it is a true partner for a clean home. Its compact and elegant design, with dimensions and a weight of 13 kg, makes it an aesthetic and practical addition to your home. Powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, it offers sufficient autonomy for extended cleaning sessions. The automatic maintenance of this robot is another technological feat. It quickly washes and dries its towels with hot air, automatically fills the water tank, and recharges 30% faster. All of this is managed through an intuitive app that allows you to control every aspect of the cleaning from your smartphone. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, high suction power. With its 12,000 PA, it can easily eliminate dirt, pet hair, and debris. Advantage number 2, autonomous washing. The mop is automatically cleaned with hot water at 70 degrees, ensuring optimal hygiene. Advantage number 3, Mop Extend Robowing technology. It allows the mop and side brush to extend to reach difficult-to-access areas. Advantage number 4, washable brush and mop. It protects carpets and rugs from moisture and prevents contamination between surfaces. Advantage number 5, intelligent management of hair and pet fur. The Tri-Cut Tangle-Free brush prevents clogs and tangles. Advantage number 6, smart mapping on multiple levels. It creates detailed maps for efficient cleaning throughout the house. Advantage number 7, control via app. It allows for personalized and remote cleaning control. Advantage number 8, fast charging. The Rest charges 30% faster than its competitors. Now let's move on to some disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, weight. At 13 kilo, it is relatively heavy, which can complicate its manual movement. Disadvantage number 2, complexity of settings. Customization through the app can be confusing for users who are less comfortable with technology. In conclusion, the Dream X40 Ultra Complete Robo Vacuum Cleaner with Mop is more than just a cleaning device. It is a revolution in household maintenance, a fusion of power, intelligence, and practicality. To discover this technological gem, feel free to click on the link in the description to order at the best price. To learn more, there are thousands of customer reviews that confirm its excellence. Choose peace of mind and innovation with the Dream X40. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to discover the best products we select, especially for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.